switch was tripped right here. So it's got a high temperature shutdown, which means we got to clean it out. Plus the damper was too low, which doesn't help that. So yeah, let's see what I can get. Okay. I regret this. I guarantee it. I regret unscrewing this right here. I'm already regretting it. Yeah, we're in deep now. So it looks like another blocked flame arrestor. Make it. Looks pretty clean. Yeah. Really difficult to see. Got another tight here. Tight area. Not the great great tool. Up here. That's it. Another folding over of the clips. We have right here. Okay, so go. This is where it gets difficult right here. So we fix the damper on top, or I think it's like a draft hood or something they call it, a draft hood. That's the little hat that sits on top of the water heater. That was pushed all the way down, flattened out, so you gotta let oxygen in to get the exhaust to flow properly. And cleaned the flame arrestor. And the door switch was tripped. That means it was overheating. So let's see, we'll try and light it and see if it stays running. It should now. Knee pad, I got a broken knee pad. I got it, I just never break it out, but I'm doing that here for sure. Okay. Normal operation. That's good. Fire it up. Water heater is lit. Let's see it flame. So we had a tripped door switch. That's usually caused when the flame arrestor underneath, which is a screen, gets clogged, so we clean that. I used just a regular pipe brush and a rag for that, and then we had the draft hood was sitting flat on top of the water heater, so that can cause heat to back up and build in the combustion chamber. It's like improper drafting. So you always want to have that gap, like a couple inches gap at the top, kind of lets air in, probably lets a little heat out. So I think it was like a combination of those three things probably just caused it to overheat.
I think we're good.
Alright, we're turning to the scene of the crime here on the water main fix. When I got here, this wheel was pushed up against it, so I'm sure that's what caused the leak. Initially, it still seems to be holding, which is good. Anyway, that water heater should be ready to go. That was over in this house, so just needed a little routine maintenance. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Consider subscribing to the channel, and we will see you on the next one.
But yeah, so
were you running the dryer when it went out?
Maybe.
Because sometimes, see how it's teed in with the dryer?
Yeah.
So sometimes if you, I saw a problem like that on a 50 gallon. This is a 40 gallon. But we had a problem like that where every time people would do laundry, obviously,
yeah,
you put your clothes in the dryer, the water heater's running
trying to kick out
because you just used hot water to, and then now you're running the dryer, which is gas. But you've probably been doing that for years, though, right?
Yeah. So,
anyway,
I think you put this one in. I think you did that too.
Oh, I don't do that.
Oh, you didn't do that?
No, I don't put those expansion tanks in.
Well, somebody else. All right, I'll let you do it.
All right, cool. Thanks, man. Yeah, no worries. All right. Ah, I will. Oh shit, he broke the. Oh no. Oh, he smashed the glass out. We got a blue light. Pilot light stays on. Water heater kicks in. People always do this, you know, people always smash the glass out. It's like, break glass in case of emergency. I worked on this water heater one time. I know I got a video someplace on it, but I was out here and there was like, it was in the summertime, and there was mosquitoes all over the place, biting on me, and I was sweating. It was brutal. Yeah, I don't know, it lit right up. You can see the glass is smashed out. Looks, I don't know what, somebody ripped out all the insulation. I might have done that. I don't like insulation. They got a lot of clothes, man. They got clothes all over the place. Seems to be working to me. He said it was blinking 7 times, but I think, see how it's teed into the dryer? So he said he was doing a lot of laundry. So that'll obviously, you're doing your, you're using hot water when you're doing your laundry, so that'll make the water heater run, and then you start the dryer up. And then it's competing for gas, which causes the gas to drop a little bit, and then makes these sensitive valves start flashing 7 times.